How to check recently watched video on YouTube step-by-step guide. If you want to check your recently watched videos on YouTube, the process is very simple. In this video, I'll show you how to find your watch history in just a few seconds. Open the YouTube app and look at the bottom of the screen. You will see a button called Library. Tap on it. Inside the library, you will find a section called History. This is where YouTube saves all the videos you have recently watched. When you open History, you will see a list of your recent videos in order, starting from the latest one you watched. You can scroll through the list to find any video you want. If you want to watch it again, just tap on it. If you have deleted something from your history before, it will not appear here. And if you are using YouTube in incognito mode, your watch history will not be saved. You can also use the search bar at the top of the history page to find a specific video you watched earlier. Just type any keyword, channel name, or part of the title, and YouTube will help you find it. And that's how you can check your recently watched videos on YouTube. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more easy tutorials.